Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
By that time it was late in the night, and husband of the informant was also not present in the house. Stop. The first informant then intimated the incident to her husband, and on the next day, that is on 22nd May 2009, she along with her daughter and niece went to police station and lodged report of the incident. Stop. Accordingly, crime number 38 of 2009 for the offences punishable under sections 376, 377 and 506 of the IPC came to be registered against the appellant accused, and wheels of investigation were set in motion. Stop. Para. During the course of investigation, minor female children were sent for medical examination. Stop. The spot came to be inspected. Stop. The appellant accused came to be arrested. Stop. He was also sent for medical examination. Stop. Clothes of victims, so also of the appellant accused, came to be seized. Stop. On the basis of voluntary disclosure statement of the appellant accused, a knife came to be seized. Stop. Statement of witnesses came to be recorded. Stop. Seized articles were sent for chemical analysis, and on completion of investigation, the appellant accused came to be charge sheeted for the offences punishable under sections 376, 377 and 506 of the IPC. Stop. Para. The learned ad hoc assistant sessions judge framed and explained charges to the appellant accused, who absorbed this guilt and claimed trial. Stop. In order to bring home the guilt to the accused, the prosecution has examined in all 6 witnesses. Informant is examined as PW1 and report lodged by her is at Exhibit 12. Stop. Her daughter, the victim of the crime in question, is examined as PW2. Stop. The punch witness to the spot cum Caesar Panchnama within bracket Exhibit 15, namely Parshuram, is examined as PW3. Stop. Punch witness to seizure of clothes from the appellant accused as well as the victim, namely Somnath, is examined as PW4. Stop. Seizure Panchnamas are at exhibits 17 and 18. Stop. PW5 Lala Ji is a punch witness to the memorandum statement and recovery Panchnama exhibits 20 and 20A respectively. Stop. Investigating officer API Suhas is examined as PW6. Stop. The appellant accused has admitted some documents. Stop. Those are medical certificates of victim girls as exhibits 25 and 26. So also bona fide certificate of one of the victims, PW2, that is daughter of the first informant. Stop. The defense of the appellant accused is that of total denial. Stop. According to him, as he had rent rupees 7,000 to informant PW1, who refused to pay it back, and therefore he is falsely implicated in the crime in question. Stop. I have heard the learned advocate appearing for the appellant accused. Stop. She vehemently argued that evidence of the first informant, so also that of PW2, one of the victim girls, suffers from contradictions and omissions. Stop.